Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate a Python program designed to analyze book data stored in a CSV file. The goal of the program is to read the book information, store the record using a two-dimensional array, and, and perform several calculations based on the dataset. Each record contains the book title, author name, publication year, and number of pages. The program converts these values into the proper data types and then calculates the average publication year and the average number of pages. It also identifies the book with the most pages and the book with the fewest pages and outputs the results to both the terminal and the file. So if you go over here into import CSV, I would just take you a quick look at the CSV file right over here. I imported the name of the book, the year, and the total pages. And then I save this file, and that will allow me to implement the program right over here. So what I will do is I will import the CSV file, which is over here, and then step two, I will import this program right over here, which is these variables store the names of the input and output files. The program will read book data from the books.csv and write the results to result text. And then we go to this program over here. And this is the main function, contains the main logic of the program. This keeps the code organized and ensures the program runs in a structured way. And then we have the books program right here. It just creates the empty list called books. This list will function as a two-dimensional array where each row presents a book record containing the title, author, year, and book numbers. And then we get to this program over here. And this, the purpose of this is this opens the CSV file in read mode so the program can access the book data. Um, it would be with open statement ensures the file automatically closes after it is finished being used. And then we go over here. In this part here, this creates a CSV reader object that reads each line from the file and separates the value using commas. And now we're going to go down to right here. Um, this loop processes each row in the CSV file. Each row represents one book record. And this also prevents errors by skipping empty lines in the CSV files. And then now we go to here. This part of the program, this extracts the book data from the row and converts the year and pages value into integers so mathematical calculations can be performed later. And then right over here, actually, in this section here, the purpose is that this adds the book record to the books list, creating a row in 2D array. And then if we go over here, if this one, the purpose of this is this checks if the CSV file contained any records. If the file is empty, the program stops to prevent errors. And then we get into this step here. And that is these variables store totals for calculating averages and track the books with most and fewest pages. And then this in this command here, that we're looking at, actually the rest of it down here. The purpose of this is that this loops processes each book record, updates the totals, and determines which book has the most and fewest pages. And this part here, these calculations determine the average publication year and the average number of pages in the data set. And looking at the whole list of this whole script right over here, this yeah, this section creates a formatted string that contains the final results of the analysis. And then we get into here, the print output text. This displays the results directly in the program's terminal. And then over here, this writes the output text to a file so the results are saved outside the program. And then finally, we get to this step here, in which this ensures that the main function runs with the Python script when it's executed. And then, like I said here, when you look at the CSV file, after adding that, when hitting run and after running the program, it should come out looking like this. All right, that concludes this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.